This is going to be a small over-the-collar dog bandana. I'm starting with a 10 by 10 inch square. In the comments, I'll write out instructions for various sizes. So, I'm gonna fold it over to a triangle with the right side facing out. Just iron a crease there. And then put it back up. Now we're gonna fold over the corners 2 1/4 inches. You can just use that crease to keep it nice and straight. To line up the point. 2 1/4 inches on the other side. Now we'll take it to the machine and stitch here and here, and then we'll stitch here and here. Okay, so now I'm gonna stitch these flaps down, just starting at the 1/4 inch. And I am going to backstitch. Stop at the stitching here. Do the same on the other side. So, right sides together. Line up the corners. I just like to use these little clips here at the top. Just line up these points and smooth a little. Clip. Then we will sew from the very edge, turn at the tip with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew to the very edge. Back stitch. We just need to clip the tip. I like to angle it a little also. And turn. So just use your fingers to kind of stuff it all in. My chopstick is right, so with the chopstick, I just kind of drag it along the edge and push out that point here. I'm gonna press a little steam. Okay. Now we will, from the very edge, stitch from this point to to this point. I'm going to use painter's tape as a guide. And then after that, we'll just top stitch from there to there. Okay, so just line up with the tape. You can draw a line, obviously, instead of tape. Back stitch. So we've created the channel. Now we're just going to top stitch the 1/4 inch seam allowance, starting at the stitches that we just made. Next stitch. Turn at the point. Back stitch. So here's the channel for the dog collar. You just simply slide it over the dog collar. I will have all different sizes in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.